In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your PayPal account if it has been limited. Now, we all know how frustrating it can be when you go to access your account only to find out that it's been placed under limitations by PayPal. But don't worry, we're going to guide you through the process of resolving this issue quickly and effectively. To begin, let's head over to the PayPal website. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials, namely your email address and password. Ensure that you input these details correctly to avoid any further delays. After you've logged in, you'll need to address the account limitation. PayPal generally provides specific steps you need to follow to resolve the restriction, so it's essential to carefully read any instructions or messages from them. Keep an eye out for any alerts or notifications that may guide you on what to do next. Once you've familiarized yourself with the steps provided by PayPal, scroll down to locate the Contact section. Click on it to advance to the next stage. This will direct you to various support options, including the Resolution Center, which is a critical tool in resolving your account issues. Now, once you are in the Resolution Center, it's time to provide any required information and documentation. PayPal often asks for certain documents to verify your identity or to support your claim, so be prepared with scanned copies of your ID, proof of address, or any other requested documentation. Upload these documents directly via their portal to ensure they receive everything needed to lift the limitation. Next, review the reason for the limitation. PayPal should provide a specific reason as to why your account was limited. Understanding this can help you provide the right information and avoid future issues. PayPal will then guide you through the process of removing the limitation. This step might require further actions from you, such as verifying your account details once more or completing other necessary tasks. Additionally, be open to providing specific documents or meeting other requirements they may have outlined. If you feel that the limitation placed on your account is incorrect or unjust, remember that you have the right to appeal the decision. Reach out to PayPal's support team and make your case clearly. Explain why you believe the limitation should be lifted and provide any supporting information. In cases where the limitation is permanent, note that PayPal may hold your funds for up to 180 days. This period allows enough time for any disputes to be resolved, ensuring that all transactions clear before your funds are released. And there you have it. These steps should help you navigate the process of restoring access to your PayPal account. Remember, the key is to follow PayPal's instructions precisely and provide all necessary information promptly. Good luck, and I hope you regain full access to your account soon.